How to install Windows 10 on your computer? First of all, flash drive. You see the flash drive setup here power off. Now power on your computer and look on the screen. USB device. Okay, I select the USB device. Enter, click the enter. I click 64, okay. Okay, this is page coming. Everything US, English, United States. All select, then click the next and click the install. Product key, I just set up, I don't have product key, okay. Click there and first one you choose, okay. Next. And click the I accept the license system, then click the next and click always custom install Windows only, no need this one. Upgrade, that means the mess up, click the always the bottom one and you see the over here lot of things. I just partition clean, delete this one, yes, I delete the partition and this one delete, okay, 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 delete this one, okay. Now this partition also delete, okay, okay, this is the I set up the only one partition, one, this is the 232 GB, okay, total size, press at, okay. Now everything is good, then click the next and wait for the install. I see the copy getting started. Wait here until the 100%. Everything should be do one by one. You see the copy on the file, getting file, install feature, installing update. Minutes after this page coming, you have to Wait until finish. Let me see. Now the space coming. Now setup will be start. Select the United States, yes, and keyboard US, and click the skip. Okay, then you click the I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup, and you have to name any name. You have to put up the name. Just I put up the this is the Dell. Now this page coming, just accept. Corona, just no, the not now. Click the not now. Okay, this one coming. Maybe later. Okay. Now you see over here no computer page coming. We can set up the PC. How to bring this one personalize. Click there. Then you see the theme. Where is the theme? Themes. Then desktop icon. Where is desktop icon setting. Then click the computer. You can click the control panel also, sometimes we need. Then apply, then okay, and that's it. This is the page. And thank you for watching this video. I think it will help you how to install Windows 10. Use your USB flash drive.